then, go to school. Now, go to school. Very good. What else do you do? You study. Ito, do you do in the morning? Wake up. Wake up. Good morning. Ito naman. What's this? Comb hair. Comb mo yung hair mo. Comb your hair. This one naman. Brush your teeth. Let's brush your teeth. How about this? Wash your face. Go home. Home. Go home. Bye-bye. Do homework. Alright, correct. Writing. Do your homework. This one naman. What's this? Take a bath. Take a bath. Ito. Dress. Put on your clothes. Bihes. Bihes na. Ito. Read. Read your book. Ito. Go to sleep. Sorry, sleep. Sleep ka, sleep. Good night. Sleeping. Okay. Ito. Clean. Cleanest. Clean up. Ito. What is about this one? After you clean, throw trash. Trash. Ito.